How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do an intense workout to get veins to pop out of your arms, a tutorial. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBurke999. So the first exercise we're going to do is arm circles. This is great to get the veins to pop out of your arms. Got 6, 7, keep going. Again, we're just making circles with our arms. This does help the veins to pop out. It's 20, keep going. $30, perfect, quick little break. Okay, next exercise is going to be a twist exercise, so just like this arm twist. Perfect, quick little break. Okay, we're gonna do a squeeze, so get your hands squeezed really, really tight. Hold this for 20 seconds. Perfect, quick little break. Okay, we're gonna go back to arm twist. Perfect, quick little break. Okay, we're gonna do arm circles now. Perfect. We're then gonna do arm twists. So end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.